Before Tulsa Tech, I didn't have much direction in my life. I knew I needed something more challenging, but I also needed the freedom of a flexible schedule. That's when I was introduced to welding and realized I finally was able to take control of my future. It's funny how quickly you can get used to something when you become immersed in it. Whether I'm practicing my welding techniques, going over design specs for an assignment, or working on a cool creative project, I take pride in everything I do. And because of the training I received at Tulsa Tech, I learned the key is to never give up. It takes patience to learn how to perfect that welding line. You have to do it over and over again. With each weld I make, the more solid and straight they become. And there's nothing more satisfying than seeing your skills progress. There's something so rewarding about having an idea in your head and actually having the skills to make that idea come to life. It's time to take control of your future. All you have to do is take that first step.